stretch a little bit. They're going to say hello, how do you do, and then away we go.
Gotta watch for number 00 and number 55. Two champions back to back, father and son. Build a great car and know how to drive them.
One car under the count down at the far end. He's got to get it started. Looks like 454 may have in fact been having some trouble with that car in the back because now it just doesn't want to run for him.
McClung jammed on the blocks there, but it looks like it might be an electrical problem. He keeps reaching down there looking for the electrical harness. But you got to watch the way that these guys not only hit so hard, but are able to slip those punches. That is part of it here as well. You know that the Archibalds are going to have a target on each of their backs. Everybody's going for them here.
It's black flag now on 454. That means we're down to 5 cars. Demolition Derby, 5 car Demolition Derby. Number 18 under the count. He must make a competitive hit. $11.55 under the count. He must make a competitive hit. Number 18 also under the count.
You know, in Andrew Boyle's machine, there was a little pop from Josh Archibald just to take out the radiator. Looks to me like he might be having a little bit of heating problems here, but it's cool enough to make sure that he'll keep on going.
Makes the competitive hit and the count comes off. Driver's door warning going out from the referee. They are not allowed to deliberately hit the driver's door. A little up and down on the number 18. That's what makes Demolition Derby kind of exciting here as they continue to play.
Some spectacular Demolition Derby driving out here, showcasing all 3 parts of this incredible sport. How that track continues to change. Those berms are gone now. Well, what car builds we got going on here? 5 of them still going at it here with lots of space in Markham to be able to have straight stock, do what they do, fast and crash for cash.
Several cars under the count. They must continue to make competitive contact.
The 2 Archibalds out here continuing to make the hit so they're not under the count. But here we got everybody parked up there in the corner. As Sean has said, it's that last car running that makes that hit. These 2 out here circling around, making sure that those cars continue to touch each other as the count plays it out here in the corner for straight stop.
All these guys are out.
11:55 has and black flagged into 5th place. And the whistle blows.